We're going to show you how to import your authentication. So we're on the home screen of the display. We're going to open up the Butler app. And we are going to go into Settings, then System Info. And as you can see right now, I've got it as a Ruby. All of this is filled out. So now I'm going to go down to the Authenticate. Then you get this lovely screen. We're going to go Get from File. And with your USB plugged in, you're going to click on the external. Here is what's on your USB. I made a sample one. You're looking for a TXT file is what we will send you. So mine says auth example. So you can either double click on that or you can press and hit open. That is up to you. Now you've noticed that this information here has changed and we're going to say OK. Now it's going to take you back to this screen. If you go back into System Info, you will notice that this is now changed. So I changed this to a classic and you are now authenticated.